The Woodpecker. The woodpecker's bill is a very strong auger. It first pecks a hole into the tree with its bill. Then, it stores acorns in the hole to be taken out in the winter. The woodpeckers you see in this tree have stored 60,000 acorns. It is very difficult to peck 60,000 holes in the bark of a tree. Woodpeckers manage this difficult task with patience and self-sacrifice. The purpose is to feed their families when the cold days of winter come. The young members of the family also help in the preparations. Every bird does its duty to perfection. Not one neglects his job. The woodpecker family, by their example of cooperation and solidarity, prepare for difficult days ahead. Conclusion. Well, kids, in this film we have seen examples of the care that animals have for their young and of the solidarity among them. God created the animals we have seen and gave them their sense of caring, mercy, and self-sacrifice. It is stated in a verse of the Quran that God's knowledge and power surrounds all things around. It is God who created the 7 heavens and of the earth the same number, the command descending down through all of them, so that you might know that God has power over all things, and that God encompasses all things in His knowledge.